You are watching my channel.
I'm just really in my bag. I'm just really in my bag. I'm just really in my bag. Bitch, I'm getting to the bag.
Hey you guys, it's BrieLovesMakeup and you are watching my channel. Today's video is naked cherry palette. Yeah, so we are definitely going to review and we're going to see how you like. This is the final result of the look, but stay tuned because I'm going to do a few swatches and let you know about this new product by Urban Decay. I love Urban Decay. I've pretty much that's the first thing I started using as far as primers for the eye and the face, this setting spray, and also eyeshadow. So I definitely, when I first began doing makeup, like really seriously doing makeup, I was definitely dibbling and dabbling in the Urban Decay. So yes, this is the palette and these are the colors and they are beautiful. Pretty much be doing my eyes on this video, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video, as you can tell, you know what it is, so I'm just gonna jump right in. And oh my god, I see an imperfection. So we're doing the Naked Urban Decay Cherry. So pretty, look at that light. Yeah. A review for this because I haven't touched in it. I haven't, really got good swatches or anything. I'm not gonna swatch all of these colors because they're a little bit repetitive. Like there's plenty of palettes with similar colors to these. So I'm gonna start off colors, which is amazing. The price of this is like a normal makeup palette, I believe, and I'll put the price and all the products I use below. The pigment on these are fairly good, and that's without primer. I love the fact that it's really sparkly and it's sticking. Most of those shimmers, kind of like, you see how it digs up a little, like you can, let me see, like it's really dusty looking, kind of, like it has a lot of fallout on the shimmer ones. I don't know, let's dig into a matte one. Let's see, kind of all get a little dusty, which is like totally normal. But the fallout, that's my only issue with it being super dusty. So the fallout, I say, is like a medium. It's not over the top, but it's not over the top. It's not too bad. But let's see what this color it's called Feels. Oh, such a beautiful transition right here. Oh my god, so beautiful. And I like how these colors don't look super cool. Like, I hate cool colors on my skin tone. Don't know why. Can't tell you why. But they just don't flatter. Like this one right here is called Juicy. I'm not really a huge fan of Juicy because it's super a cool coral. Like I might use it as a transition background. But I wouldn't use it on anything else. I wouldn't do it all over with it just because it's just not the best color for me. I'm going to do right here. That's Turn On. That's pretty. This is Ambitious, which is fucking my whole entire life. I love that. Okay, this is Bing. I know in the highlight Bing. Oh my fucking god, I love. Okay, I can't sing that good, but I love Bing. That's a good color. I might use that today. Okay, so this is Devilish. So Bing and Devilish are a little bit similar. Let's go back in with Bing and see. Okay, they're different, but they're very similar. This is a little bit darker. This one's a little bit more pink. Okay, this is Young Love. That is the one. That's the one right there, y'all. We found the lid color. This is Drunk Dial, which I'm doing a little bit of a mixing. So let me switch my hands. This is Drunk Dial. Whoa! I need it on my lid now. This is Privacy. These warm colors are giving me so much life. I'm gonna tap out this brush to get the excess powder off of it. So I'm gonna use Feels. I'm just gonna pat it all over. It's already coming out really well. I love that color. It's like a mauve. It's like a really pretty, soft, natural mauve. This is one of those colors that you can put all over and leave and put a liner and a lash and just leave it alone. Like, it doesn't need to be touched. Alright. So now that we have all that down, I'm going to go ahead and set that under eye highlight with the color Hotspot. And I know this is kind of like, my lighting's off, so I'm warning you now. I'm just going to place that right there. And it's perfect placement. Using this brush is an M432. And it's perfect for the highlight, perfect for cleaning your brows up. It's perfect for pretty much a lot of things that are like really tight. Like if you need something just in a specific area. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just like use the packing brush. All that fallout. I'm gonna go in and use the color Bing and get good pigment and just pat it on top. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I love pink. Oh my god, I love this palette because it's pink. And I fucking love pink. Oh. I didn't think I was gonna like this much. I'm so glad they came out with a pink palette. Like, not everybody looks good in pink or likes pink. But girl, if you like pink and you look good in pink and you just fuck with pink, girl, fuck with this palette because the pigment isn't like dropping down underneath, which is all that fallout. I thought that was gonna be all underneath my eye, but it's really like staying and I'm really proud of it. So I'm gonna use, oh, just kidding. I'm gonna use this brush, which is not Morphe or anything, but it's a really good brush. And I'm gonna dip into the color Devilish, obviously. Okay. These all three of these colors though, very similar in shade, like almost not different at all. That's the only thing. Like these two, this pink and then Devilish, Bing and Devilish, they're very similar. So maybe use those on their own instead of combining them together because it doesn't seem like it's giving like the effect that I thought it was going to give. So we're gonna go back in with our M441 and we're just gonna blend lightly on the top. Right. So then we're gonna go back in and take the M432 and I'm gonna dip, I don't know if I wanna dip into, okay, yeah, I'm gonna dip into the color Privacy and I'm gonna go ahead and like start mapping out where I think my crease will end, which is usually right on top of where my eyes like wrinkle. Now there's some fallout there, but not as bad as the others. And I'm just gonna do a circle shape today. Because usually I bring it all the way out and stuff, but I'm not digging that today. I'm gonna keep it round. So we're just gonna build that pigment up and just tap. Just gonna tap it right in because blending it is not giving the color payout that I desire. But honestly, I think that's with any eyeshadow. The color payout isn't going to be as intense when you blend it because the whole point of blending is to, you know, soften. I can't talk. The whole point of blending is to soften something and to make it transition or blend into something else, I feel. So 1, 2, I put it in the center right here, right? And then we're just gonna look up. And then we're gonna look down, and then we're gonna see where our stuff's gonna be. Whoa! We were so extra today. For no reason. So I'm just gonna fill it in just a little bit. And fill it in. Okay, so first I'll pat. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and kind of just go from there with the same brush that I used on my highlight area there. We're just gonna kind of just make sure that it's just blended into everything and pull out the shape. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna use the color Turn On. We're gonna use the color Bang Bang. I'm gonna press more than anything because it's a loose glare. The energy. Ooh. Okay, we got some fallout now. Fixable, but it's fallout. Just gonna like blend that on the top there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix Ambitious and Young Love together. Go ahead and lay this one down, and then I'm gonna go on top of it with the pink because I really want to see what that'll look like. Young Love on top. Oh yay, that's pretty. So my impression about this is that there's kind of fallout, but it's not extreme. The colors are really pigmented and really pretty, and also very soft but very buildable. Just like all Urban Decay eyeshadows. Oh my god. Shimmer and sparkles are really pretty, and they're really pretty as highlights too. So I hope you guys go copy you a Urban Decay Cherry palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the new uploads that I have and the crazy story times. Just all BrieLovesMakeup. There's links to all my social medias down below, my Twitter, my Instagram, so make sure you go follow me on there too. Comment, like, let me know what you want to see next time. Until then, thank you so much.